In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add testimonials to card.co. Testimonials are a simple way to build trust on your site, and Card makes them quick to add and easy to style so they fit your brand. Start inside the card editor, click the plus icon and choose text if you only need a single testimonial. If you want a row of multiple testimonials, choose container instead, which lets you create columns and keep everything aligned. In the text block, type your testimonial with a clear structure, the quote first, then a dash, the person's name, and an optional role or company. For example, amazing experience, highly recommended, happy client, photographer. Short, specific quotes usually work best, and adding an identifier like a role or location makes it feel more credible without cluttering the design. Next, give it some style so it looks polished. Select the quote text and set it to italic to distinguish it from the attribution, then make the name bold so it stands out at a glance. Center alignment often looks clean and balanced, especially when you're stacking testimonials vertically. If you'd like to add personality, insert a small profile image with the plus icon and choose image, or place the text inside a subtle background box to make it pop against the page. Keep contrast high for readability, add a bit of padding inside the box so the text can breathe, and consider rounding the box corners for a softer look. Consistent fonts and sizes across all testimonials will make the section feel professional, and using proper quotation marks adds a nice finishing touch. When you're happy with one testimonial, save time by duplicating it. Right-click and choose Duplicate, then edit the text, name, and role for the next one. This keeps spacing and styles perfectly consistent. If you're using a container, you can duplicate columns to build a tidy grid of 2 or 3 testimonials per row. Vary the lengths a little so the section feels natural, and make sure each quote still reads clearly on mobile. Card will stack columns automatically on smaller screens, so check the mobile preview to confirm the spacing and alignment still look intentional. Finally, publish your changes. Click Publish, follow the prompts, and your testimonials will go live. Give the page a quick once-over after publishing to confirm fonts, spacing, and images look right in the real world. If you spot anything, jump back into the editor, tweak, and republish. And that's it. Clean, credible testimonials on your card site in just a few minutes.